Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to check your website traffic. This is something simple to do, so it's gonna be a quick tutorial, but anyway you need to do some stuff before you check it. So there are some platforms which can give you the statistics, but the problem is like sometimes there is something which is not accurate. That's why we say we're gonna show you a plugin which is better for you and it's free and is 100% accurate based according to me. So I've been using this for long, and this is gonna be what they say called site kit. This plugin is from Google. What you do, you go to your plugins and look for site kit. Site kit by Google. You type in that. This is a good thing. Let me copy it here. I have it already, but I wanna show you that you can get it also. You type in here search kit for Google, cause maybe you can get something which is not the right one. You can see this one. So it say it's gonna look like this with Google with a G with these colors site kit. Down it should say it should say Google, like by Google. So once you see this and the name is different, don't download that. You have to get this which one for Google, because there are many which can help you to manage everything. So this one is almost 3-in-1. So what you do, okay, let me update mine first before we go to see how it works, because I might be having some different features which are old. Okay, it's updated. So I'm gonna go to view details. Site kit is official WordPress plugin from Google. So this plugin is recommended by WordPress and also is made by Google. So it means this is a good plugin for you. It has a 5-star, you can see. So it simply means a lot of people use it and they recommend it. So let me see how it's gonna be. So you go to site kit. When you click there, okay, no, they're talking about something else. You can see here it gives you the the graph here. It shows that you get 12% referrals, you get 40% organic, you get 47% direct. So that's pretty good. So even here at this side, you're gonna see all the percentages, how your site is performing. So also it goes here and says search funnel. So search funnel, that's when you're gonna see I have 733 impressions, also clicks 9, and unique visitors are 3. So you come and see popularity here. It's gonna show you by this side, it's gonna show you most visited pages. So you can see this page. This page, it shows each and every page and also the views. You can see these are views 17.7, 17.7, 4.3, like that. So you can also go back on this side, then say these are one of the things people search. So this site, people search this, then they get, these are keywords you get from that. Site kit is gonna get you all this information and put it here, and you can know what am I gonna deal with. So you can see a keyword which is being searched a lot is what maybe you can work on, or the one which is not searched a lot, that's where you're gonna focus to improve on your website. So you go down here, you can see it's gonna show you how faster your website is. So it's very slow. You can see mine is very slow. So you can improve on that so that you get more people on mobile and also desktop. So you can also go down here. You can see these things here. Scale shows you everything. So the green one, it was gonna be fine, and this color orange, it was gonna show you like it's at least fine, but now it's in red somewhere here. You can see. So it simply means it's not that good. So here it also shows you, it also integrates AdSense, so it can show you how much money you made, total earnings, also add impressions. It show all these top earning pages. These are the pages where you collected money. It shows each and every page here. So this is the simple breakthrough about SiteKit. So once you put it in, it's gonna give you, you can see it has Search Console in it, it has AdSense, it has Google Analytics, so everything's there. So it's gonna need only your Gmail account, which is connected to your, or what, your analytics, also connected to your AdSense. So once you're done with that, everything's gonna be cool. So you're gonna use SiteKit every time whenever you come to your website and check everything you have. So it's something like 3-in-1. You don't have to go to Search Console. Everything you're gonna find it here. AdSense, you're gonna find it here. Analytics is gonna find, you're gonna find it here. So each and every month you're gonna be able to monitor how your websites perform. Instead of getting something else, get something from Google, which is recommended and it's being developed by a big company. So there's no doubt in this site. In this plugin, I've been using it for so long, and a lot of people would recommend you to use this site to monitor your, to use this plugin to monitor your site traffic and analytics. Thanks guys for watching, and hope this helps. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.